OneDisplay, connecting your world. Hi, this is Jackie from OneDisplay. We are professional LED screen manufacturers integrating R&D, production, sales of LED video system. Nowadays, LED screens are most used in most of industries in our lives. Do you know how do we produce LED screen? Follow my camera and let you experience the production process of LED screen system.
This is our drying room. Before SMT, we will dry LEDs first. You can see here we have 5 dryers. Usually LEDs drying set temperature of 50 degrees for 12 to 48 hours, so that we can remove the moisture get during the transportation and storage, so as to better ensure the stability of the lamp. This is our shoulder paste printer. A layer of shoulder will be coated on the bottom side of PCB first. Next, the electronic components will be pasted on this layer. Then the pasted PCB will pass the conveyor belt to the next IR reflow soldering machine for high temperature soldering. Till here, PCB side for electronic components is finished. From the above videos, we see how the electronic components soldered on the PCB. Now we will together to see the other side of LEDs pasting and the soldering. It's the same. Firstly, a layer of solder will be coated on the other side of a PCB. Last, let's come mounting on the PCB. You can see now here we have SMD 1921 in mounting. After that, the pasted PCB will pass the conveyor belt to the next IR reflow soldering machine for high temperature soldering. Finally, we could see the first complete SMT small module finished here, and our QA will test each module to check if we have false welding LEDs at first freeze. When we finish the SMT, we will put the modules in here for 24 to 48 hours in 4 white, green, blue, and red. When modules finish the aging, it will come to module assembly room. You can see here our modules are assembled with the module base. Then comes to modules assembled with cabinet frame, power box. In the end, the assembled cabinet will ship to screen aging room. We will aging it for 72 hours before delivery. After all the production process, we are going to meet you. Are you ready?